What's going on, guys? It's Ryan from RPS Dent Specialists, coming to you with another repair. We're at a customer's residence. It's got a 2019 Honda Accord. It's got a pretty nasty whack here on the body line. It did blow out this body line a little bit on the bottom side, and it definitely has some impregnation of the paint there. So I explained to the customer that we may not be able to get the impregnation part of it out. It may mottle a little bit. I'm going to try to wet sand and buff it like I explained to them. There is an access hole through here to get to the handle. So that's how I'm going to access this dent. I'm going to get the good grip arm up here with the heat gun, get a ton of heat on it because it is kind of sharp and it did drive so much metal down underneath the body line. But get in there, try to use a lot of rubber, bring up that body line a little bit, beat the crown down, and try to finish it out. So stay with me, see how this repair goes.
On the way to being free.
Alright guys, I'm finishing up with this repair. High strength steel door. It did mottle a little bit on that body line like I expected with the impregnation of the paint from whatever hit the door. But the dent came out really good. I used a factory hole. Customer should be very happy with the repair. It was kind of difficult on this sharp body line with as bad as it was blown out. It really turned out really good. So another happy repair. I appreciate you guys watching, and I'll catch you on the next one. Keep it real. See you guys.